Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my new home. This is a temporary setup because I want to build out this van. This is my bed. Let me stand up. Well, I cannot really stand up. This is how my bed looks like, and my mirror. I just have few things here for now because I am planning to build out this van. I can do this, but my problem is my lower back and sciatica. So that's been my biggest issue. Let me see if this will make any difference. Okay. I don't know with people that I have watched on YouTube who are like 6 foot and they live in a minivan, and if they have any back problem, but as I am trying to figure out things here, I'm excited to convert this van. So this will be my home for, I don't know, maybe a couple of months or for a while, but at least I can travel with this now, although it's not that very powerful like a 4x4. I am going to prepare and dress up so I can have my coffee and breakfast, because I don't have my portable stove here, and I put everything to my storage. I am planning of going there to get it because it's expensive to keep buying Starbucks coffee or gas station. It's still expensive, and like to eat my breakfast like that, and I'm very choosy when it comes to breakfast. That's why I like to make my own. So I hope that you will still stick around and continue to follow my journey with my new minivan. And there are so many things that I wanted to do this time, and I might start traveling because I plan to take the NCLEX tutorial so that I can really focus on just studying and reviewing. I want to make sure that this year I will pass my NCLEX exam and become a nurse, a registered nurse. I want to also get monetized here so that it will help me while I am focusing on my review. Yeah, I am also grateful to all of you, to all my subscribers who have been here from the beginning of this channel. Even though I don't have millions of subscribers, but it means a lot to have almost 2,000 subscribers now. I think I've come a long way. I just need to push myself really hard to make a video. Yeah, I wanna just document my life in a good way as much as possible. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being here, and I'm always hoping and wishing that this will grow and one day I will be successful here. I'm just really, the older I get, the more I become more appreciative and thankful for even just little things, which is what we supposed to do, and just want to be kind to one another. I'm still here at Lowe's. I'm just gonna park somewhere here. Let's find a nice spot. I am laying this rug pad, this one. I am just gonna put this and try it first if this will work, and then I have a vinyl that I will put on top. So here how it looks like when I have the pad, and then I'm going to put this linoleum. It's 8 by 12 and it's $45. Okay, let me just put it now.